Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Gentlemen, there's something important most men don't hear once they cross 50. The stiff lower back, the tight hips, the slower mornings, the dip in strength, the tougher recovery, even the shift in your hormonal energy. None of this automatically comes from turning another year older. What really changes is how your body moves, or stops moving. When the natural patterns you used your whole life start fading away, your body reacts. Hips that once rotated smoothly become rigid. Glutes that used to fire automatically get sleepy. The muscles around your spine tighten up. And the deep stabilizers in your pelvis, the ones that keep everything aligned, go quiet. And once those systems tune out, everything downstream slows with them. Blood doesn't circulate the way it should. Your posture collapses inward. Breathing becomes shallow. Your body sends out signals of strain, stiffness, fatigue, and hormonal drag. Here's the good news. If problems show up because these primal movement patterns disappear, improvement begins the moment you bring them back. That's exactly what this session is for. Today you'll go through 5 essential, time-tested movements that help restore nearly everything men tend to lose after 50, hip mobility, spinal support, glute activation, balance, pelvic circulation, and the signals that help your hormones work efficiently. These aren't heavy lifts. They're not fancy stretches. They're the original building blocks of human strength, movements your body was designed around long before gyms existed. Master these 5, and you'll feel the difference everywhere: your posture, your walking stride, your lower back, your energy, even your confidence. Let's jump in. 1. Horse stance. Stand wider than shoulder width. Sit your hips back and down like you're lowering onto a sturdy, invisible bench. Keep your spine long, chest open, and knees pointing slightly out. Hold the position and breathe fully, slow, deep, steady. Horse stance has been used for centuries because it builds your foundation from the ground up. It wakes up the inner thighs, quads, glutes, and deep hip muscles, the exact areas that tend to weaken quickest for men over 50. This position teaches your lower body to work together again. Hips open, knees track correctly, the core supports the spine, and the pelvic region receives a fresh wave of circulation. Deep breathing in this stance also allows the diaphragm and pelvic floor to engage as a unit, helping your body shift into a stronger, calmer state. Do this regularly, even 20 to 30 seconds, and you'll feel your lower body turn back on. 2. Deep squat hold. Lower yourself into the deepest squat you can comfortably manage. Keep your heels grounded. Let your knees open naturally. Allow your spine to lengthen, and if you need a little support, lightly place your elbows inside your knees. Just settle in and breathe. The deep squat is something the human body was designed to do daily, yet modern living has nearly erased it from our routines. Bringing it back is like oiling the hinges on your lower body. Your hips decompress. Your ankles regain their natural range. Your knees track better. Your lower back softens. And circulation around the pelvic floor, a critical area for men's vitality, improves. This single position reconnects the hips and spine, teaching them to move together instead of against each other. Even short daily holds make everyday activity, walking, bending, lifting, getting out of a chair, feel smoother and lighter. 3. Glute bridge. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Press your heels down, tighten your glutes, and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Hold briefly, then lower with control. This movement is a game changer for the modern man. Inactive glutes can lead to tight hamstrings, a heavy feeling lower back, unstable hips, and sluggish energy. When the glutes stop doing their job, the pelvis tilts, the spine compresses, and circulation in the lower abdomen decreases. Glute bridge flips that script. It realigns the pelvis, supports the spine, relaxes the lower back, and restores strength through the hips. And because it targets one of the largest muscle groups in the body, it also encourages a healthier hormonal environment and better blood flow through the tissues men rely on as they age. Practiced consistently, it brings back stability and strength faster than most people expect. 4. Bird dog. Start on your hands and knees. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back. Keep your spine completely steady, no sagging, no twisting. Switch sides smoothly. It looks easy, until you try it with true control. Bird dog activates the deep, intelligent muscles around your spine, the ones that quietly protect you from discomfort and instability. These muscles don't weaken because you're older. They weaken because years of sitting and predictable movement patterns stop challenging them. This exercise turns them back on. It sharpens coordination, improves balance, and teaches the brain and body to reconnect. When your stabilizers re-engage, your spine moves more freely, circulation improves, and your whole core begins doing its job again. Bird dog also reinforces the cross-body pattern humans use to walk and move efficiently. When that pattern is strong, everything else becomes easier. 5. Frog stretch. Start on your hands and knees. Slide your knees outward while keeping your ankles in line with them. Slowly shift your hips back until you feel a deep stretch in the inner thighs and groin. Support yourself on your hands or forearms and breathe gently. Frog stretch is one of the fastest ways to open the hips, an area where most men lose flexibility early. Tight inner hips restrict circulation, affect posture, create discomfort, and impact everything from movement to daily confidence. When the pelvis gets tight, the hip flexors overwork, the lower back picks up the slack, and the glutes switch off. This stretch unwinds years of that tension. As the inner hips release, blood flows more freely, the pelvic floor relaxes, and pressure lifts from the lower back. Many men describe this stretch as the one that makes their hips feel young again. Gentlemen, your body isn't slowing down because time is catching up with you. It's responding to years of stiffness, long hours of sitting, shallow breathing, and forgotten movement patterns. But the moment you reactivate these primal exercises, your system responds. Your hips open, your spine stabilizes, your glutes wake up, your balance sharpens, your blood moves better, your hormonal rhythms support you the way they're meant to. Strength after 50 isn't about lifting heavier weights. It's about rebuilding the foundation your body relies on every single day. Commit to these 5 movements for just 10 minutes daily, and you'll feel your strength returning from the inside out. Before we wrap up, tell me, where in the world are you watching from? I'd love to see where men over 50 are reclaiming their power.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.